Hey, how's it going? I hope you're ready for this quick workout that we're about to do. All you need today is bands if you have them. This resistance is actually pretty heavy. I don't know the exact, but B-Force bands, you can get those below or visit my website and definitely check those out. So bands, okay? Bands are a great way to really step up your game for your workout. So I'm going to put these right above my knee. And so I'm going to really show you how to do some exercises to get the best results with bands. A lot of people use bands and they don't use them correctly because they're not even activating the muscles, okay? So go ahead and put them, as you see here, right above my knee, okay? And let's get into the position here. Hands are under your shoulders, okay? And I simply just want you to first do some small pulses activating your glute muscles, okay? So this is step one. When you're trying to build your glutes, you really have to actually warm your glutes up first, okay? So we're just doing a couple here to warm up, roughly 20, and it should start to really burn, okay? Once you start burning, that's how you know blood's starting to move to that area, okay? So let's switch. I'm gonna rotate to the other side. You don't have to do that, of course. Okay, so other side. The foot for this one can be flexed or flat, whatever suits your fancy. So we're really just doing some small pulses here. This is really how you activate those glute muscles, okay? So you're breathing a lot, okay? And I'm gonna rotate this time to the front. I'm gonna get on the balls of my feet, and I'm gonna kind of get in a plank position, and I'm going to extend my legs out wide. So this is really going to help activate the hips. So you're hovering here, and you're simply going out wide. And this is a really big burner. So you see those at the gym that may get on the machine and do the same movement, and I'm burning like crazy. You can do the same thing, exactly what I'm doing, and you're using more body muscles, which is your abs to hold your body weight up. So from the side, that one looks like this. So you're simply extending those legs out, and you're breathing out through your mouth, okay? So you're really working those side hip muscles, okay? All right, now that we've kind of done those to warm up, let's start with some exercises. We're almost done. Okay, so I have the bands. Yes, my knees are ashy, sorry. I have my bands. And as you go down into your squat, the bands are gonna force your knees to do this, okay? You really have to focus to push those knees out. So you're pushing the resistance out into the bands as you squat and come up. So do that for the entire movement, and let's do 10. Okay, so let's go down, pressing those bands away and coming up. So that's 1. So inhale down, exhale up, work on that spine that I've been teaching you. Inhale down, exhale up, 3. And 4, really squeeze those bands out, 5. 6, squeeze those glutes at the top, 7. 8, almost done, 9, on your heels, and 10. Okay, so same thing. Let's do some side steps. Okay, so we're really going to force into this band, and we're going to stay really low. This is going to get our cardio up. Okay, let's do 20 to make it burn even more. So if you don't have bands, feel free to do this without bands, of course. Okay, so you ready? The lower you get, the more toning you get, and then we're going to finish off with one last exercise. So let's do 20. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze the core. 4, 5. Get low. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, breathe, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And if that didn't burn your buns, I don't know what will. Okay, so again, I have some pretty heavy resistance here, which you may also the same. So last exercise, we're going to do it on either side. We're simply going to be extending this bands out to the side, really working on the hips and the side glute area. All right, so let's try for 20. It's gonna burn and then we'll be done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're gonna take a break because that hurts like crazy. Other side, let's do 10. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and hit those glutes. We got 10 more on each side and then we're done. Okay, so this time really focus on your inner thigh as you're lifting that leg and engage your abs. Okay, so let's do 10 more. and then we'll be done. So I'm staggering my hands here. This is a different approach that you can take. It might be a little easier for you to give you more leverage, okay? And we're actually going to add on. We're going to do a lift and then a lift out to the side. That's going to be 1 rep. All right, so that was 1. We're going to lift here and lift to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5. You hear me breathing? 6. That's how I want you to breathe. 7, 8, 9. 1 more. And 10. And that burns so bad. So a lot of people often ask, hey, I'm working out my right side, but why does my left glute burn as well? That's your stabilizing side, so it's a good thing that that might burn as well. Okay, but try to put it in the side that we're really working on the most. All right, 10 more, and then we're done. We're lifting out back, and the reason I'm not going super high, with these bands, if you're not careful, they're gonna roll up your thigh. So that's why my extension isn't super high up. So extending back into the side 1, and to the side 2. We got 3. Really squeeze those abs. 4, 5, 6. Almost there. 7, 8. Almost there. 9 and 10. Okay, awesome. That is how you can kind of start your band journey. And once you do those foundation exercises, you can really get into more glute exercises. That's just a start, and you can maybe pair this with another video and get in amazing shape. I'll see you later. Bye.